Does every bike ride need to be epic? Does it need to fit a requirement for physical fitness? Some rides are to get to work, I know, but outside that, can fun still be had by an adult just wanting to zip about like a kid and ride to have fun, to just relax? I've been so caught up with trying to make things perfect and always productive that it has been hobbling, not just to my videos, but to fun as well. I'm in Southern Ontario right now, not specifically to ride my bike, but I brought it along with plans to ride in London and Stratford, thinking I would add these two towns to my list of places ridden and filmed. In the end, I ended up pedaling down gravel farm roads and stopping constantly to listen to the breeze through the cornfields. I still visited London on foot and only drove through Stratford because of the summer rainstorms. I had left my bike behind on purpose. It was a lack of annoying sounds that reminded me to stop racing to the next corner, to stop worrying about my heart rate, or how quickly I could finish a kilometer in the rough gravel road. In fact, my tire noise seemed to be the invader in these quiet fields. I was creating the awful noise, invading the calmness, ruining my afternoon. I stopped a lot to take photos. I sat at a crossroad for a long time watching clouds float by and nearly fell asleep in the grass. Maybe I did doze off a bit and it was awesome. But the gravel on these roads was big for my skinny tires. A mountain bike would have been a far better choice. And truck traffic on the highways not designed for bikes was too scary for me. But this was a change that I needed, a reminder to slow down, that perfection does not exist, and I had not stopped at that crossroads, I would not have seen that lonely tree sitting out in the middle of the field. That tree that's where I had my nap, sitting out in that grass, leaning up against a stump. Totally made my afternoon better. Because Ride the Path is not only about pedaling a bike down beautiful bike paths. It's about finding a way to achieve a calming effect I like to think of as stillness. I have a favorite place I go to where I can't hear traffic. I seldom see other people, and it's on a riverbank. It's on the Ottawa River, in fact, one of my favorite places to go. When I'm there, I turn my phone on Do Not Disturb, and I sit on a stump and watch the water flow until most of my worries go away. And in this place, all is calm. The only sound is nature, and my head is clear. I feel I can stay there for hours, and I call this my stillness. It's a recharge of batteries for me, better than 8 hours sleep. See that truck go by? That's why I wasn't hanging out on the highways that day. And I'm holding my camera with one hand because I forgot the bracket that attaches it to my handlebars. What are you gonna do? But that truck brought me back to reality and said, okay, might be time to turn around, which is what I did. Going forward now, I'll keep looking for places that bring me stillness. I'm going to keep looking for those spots that just catch my eye. Along with my camera, I'll bring them to you. Have a great one. Thanks for watching. So I did think about going into that abandoned building, but I didn't trespass. Wanted to, but didn't.